For instance, we give a 1 week packaging. So the 1 week packaging that's for 1 week. So if you see in China, people live in the countryside and they get bags full of medicine for 90 days. So if people die, you need to throw away for 90 days the medicine, or 88 days, whatever. But anyway, you need to throw it away. And if you have the customized packaging for a week or 2 weeks, you don't need to throw away all those things. But sustainable in our business, 100%, it's a big plus. That's for sure, and it is on different kind of levels. So one part is the savings of medicine. In Holland, there are right now repackers making a good advertisement about we save a lot of medicine because of the packaging of this.
Like that, yeah.
So that's good. So it's two sides actually. It's the packaging and it's the medicine, to save medicine. Yeah.